Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Columbia, local and long distance movers near me. Hiring our team of long distance movers means you'll gain access to all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. The right long distance moving company can make a big difference. With our team, you get professional service from start to finish. We can help you with your move no matter how far you need to go. Getting a good Illinois moving company for your local move just makes sense. Maybe you think you can do it all yourself. However, even moving a short distance means you have to pack up everything you own, load it into a truck, unload it, and unpack it at your new location. Without the right help, this can be a very large job. When you choose 3 Movers, an entire moving process gets streamlined. Our movers know exactly how to get you settled in much faster. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can get done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Columbia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.